everybody, welcome to Medling World. As you can see, Roberta behind me today, heading into Universal Studios, Florida, because Roberta, the Universal Brown Derby hat shop, has some discounted merch. We're gonna explain. Come on in, check it out. I want to invite everybody who is watching Medling World today to please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World. If you haven't yet, maybe you've been watching for a while, maybe it comes up on your feed, maybe you watch all the time. If you can do us a favor, just hit that subscribe button. It does help us with our analytics, helps YouTube push out our videos and grow even more. We appreciate everybody who subscribes. But yes, we are going to head in today. Originally, this store was located kind of where they've been doing the tribute store.
Yeah. And
it is basically a discounted merch if you are a Universal Orlando pass holder or a team member here. But it just moved back to its original location where it all started at the Brown Derby hat shop. We'll show you where it is, we'll give you the information, and of course we're going to go in and see what they have. We'll see if it's worth it. And of course, once again with Medling World, you're always on the adventure. If you can see right now, the moving sidewalk, or walkway, I should say, is not in operation. And remember the words I just said, it is a moving walkway, so technically you should be walking on it, even as it moves. If you don't want to walk and you just want to stand, always go to the right side. That way there'll be people. Trust me, there'll be people behind you. And they're going to want to move. So, with that being said, let's get through security, Roberta. Let's kind of get a vibe of the park today. And let's head over. I haven't shown you guys our little shortcut through the gift shop. So when you come off here, as you're coming into CityWalk here, you can walk straight, go all the way around all of these stores and everything. But if you cut through right over here, I'm going to roll the camera all the way through so you can get a good idea where you're going to come out, especially if you want to go over to Universal Florida Park. As long as Roberta doesn't want to look at everything, you can cut right through here instead of walking all the way around, which is very cool. And they did move. They had a big, I'll show you, they used to have this big display of wands right in the middle of the walkway, which they have moved. But you can get your cold butterbeer here too before you even get inside the park. Right here at CityWalk. Right here there used to be a big wand display. That's moved. It keeps the traffic moving because so many people are using this as a shortcut now. Roberta, can I say maybe I was one of the first people that showed this shortcut? Is it possible? I think I might have been. I'm not claiming that I am the original, but we've been using this shortcut every time we come. But it does make quite a difference, especially if it's raining or it's very hot out. So now you come right out over here by Voodoo Donuts, which would be right here on your right. Instead of having to go all the way around, come all the way down this way. It's nice to cool off, and if it's raining, it's a great place to dry. But now we gotta head in. Yes, there is always an adventure. Yeah, we're making our way to the Brown Derby hat shop. But why not show you? Look over here quick, guys. Rip Ride Rocket, pretty much all this area now. All down. Still a little bit of the tower back there you can see above the Universal globe. But yeah, that's moving right along. It's kind of neat too, because you can see right in now. You can see the Hard Rock. Sight lines, I think, have improved. But there's going to be another coaster there shortly. Also, it is an event night, so make sure you're checking. If you don't have a ticket to the event, you want to make sure that if you're coming on one of the event nights, the park will close at 5 p.m. And if you're looking to go to Stay and Scream, you need to be in the park before 5 p.m. But we have vlogs all about all that information. But let me tell you something. Halloween Horror Nights 2025 is a lot of fun. Recommend it. If you're coming down, you want to have a really nice extra ticket experience. Well worth it. So guys, once you enter the park, this is the kind of the way you're going to come in. You'll see some of the scare zones not active yet, but set up for the party. Or the event, I should say. Now, it is kind of like a party, really. It's got a party vibe to it. And then Brown Derby, we're going to go right down this way. Jump right up here on the sidewalk, guys. Show you around Today Cafe. Excellent sandwiches in there, especially the pastrami sandwich. Very good. This is where we're going. I don't know. It's like there's not like a specific name. That I can tell you of what this is. It's just the Universal Orlando annual pass and team member. It's called the exclusive, I guess, according to their sign. Exclusive. So we're going to go ahead. Let's head in. I'm just going to keep rolling here, guys. As we come on in, I can see some Marvel right away. Got the Thor. And what we need to know, 70% off. Everything in here, 70% off right now. Show you around a little bit with the help of Roberta. Or maybe the help of Roberta, as she's already over there looking for pens. Roberta, would you mind maybe showing some of that Hello Kitty merch down there? Give a few prices. We'll show you a couple prices. If you could hold that up a little higher, that would be great.
25. It looks like it's 70% off.
70% off, yes.
Yeah.
So 70% off 35.
25, that one.
Nice. So yes, it has the original price, and then you'll get your discount price as you check out. Any pins you noticed?
No, that's one. I don't want that.
So everything here that you see, you got your Jimmy Fallon bag, Minion. Got some Harry Potter here.
There's more over there.
This is like a hoodie.
It looks like it, yeah, it is youth because it's extra large.
Youth side.
It's extra large, but it's like it's youth. Yeah.
You got a price on it at all? Just for out of curiosity.
This one is 57, so we have to go see.
They usually have a chart.
They have a
Oh,
chart.
I'm going to go show you that chart, actually. We'll get to the chart. Okay, breaking. They already have Halloween Horror Night merch in here, Fallout. Not a fan of the shirt. I probably wouldn't even buy it with 70% off. I like the show and stuff, but I don't want to wear their merch around, personally.
Like
I'd wear it to an event, though, $33. We'll go take a look at the chart in a minute. A couple more hoodies here.
So also it's from the smallest.
Yes, so if you see the red tag, it's an additional 70% off. And we have this other one here, Super Mom.
65.
65. Let's go over and take a look at that chart as I kind of glance around. It's not very busy in here, believe it or not. Let me zoom in on it a little bit, guys. Kind of glance at it. If you're on your phone, you can zoom that in. It'll give you all the prices. To the left, the original, and then the yellow is the 70% off price. Just kind of go up. I think I got it all there. There you have it.
$12.99.
What do you got, Roberta?
$12.99. So it's like $3.90.
$3.90. I don't mind the long sleeve one for the winter. That's Back to the Future, by the way.
They don't. They
Future
only have
changer.
extra small.
Yeah, sizes will be difficult. How much though? Let's
That
just.
one it's 45, which will be
A 45 and a 25. Youth sizes.
$13.50.
So $13.50 for that one. I did find a couple of nice hoodies, especially with the fall weather coming in.
It converts to a backpack.
Wow.
That's so cool.
How much are either of these, Roberta?
67.
So 67, and again, I just showed you your chart. You can reference the chart. And then we have this one here, which is how much? This one also turns into a backpack.
This one, 67.
67. Pretty neat. I wish they had one displayed as a backpack. And no, you don't want me to try to make it into one because it would look like just a ball of a hooded sweatshirt.
Yeah.
Got some Betty Boop merch. Just kind of highlighting it today for you guys. It's busy here. Grinch Sipper. Get it now.
18.
18. I don't think it does anything though. But you can use those as refillables, I think. Do they? Can you? I'm not sure if they have the chip in it. Somebody in the comments let me know. Have a couple little like purses here. It's a Spider-Man.
Wallet, 45.
45. So with that discount, not bad. A Minions.
It's a Loungefly.
That's a Loungefly brand.
Yeah.
I'm curious on that one.
55.
But it is a Villicon, which
Yeah.
a lot of people aren't crazy about that ride, including myself. Also want to show you that they do have some Margaritaville merch in here. So we've seen some Halloween Horror Nights. We got some Margaritaville merch.
49.
How much?
49.
49 before discount. Is several of those there. This has been here forever. This is a Harry Potter.
Yeah.
Then just some different t-shirts. I'm kind of curious what a couple of those look like.
Jason.
What? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. From this what size? That looks like
Extra small. That's for Jake.
That we're gonna get that for Jake. Absolutely, we're gonna get that for Jake. That is an awesome shirt.
Yeah.
And how much is it, Roberta?
Right now it's 33. So let's see.
With the 70% off, we'll pick that up for Jake. He will like that. I want to say something. If you've been following us for a while, you have seen Jake grow, right?
Yeah.
He is now 14. He's much different than when we first started our vlogging, and he's very picky about being part clothes. He's like, for something now, like, no. I have a good feeling he's going to like that one, though, because it's something he can wear to an event. Even years to come, he can wear it. Well, it'll still fit him, at least next year, but it's cool. Let me show you the back one more time. And it's one of his favorite houses. We'll let you know in a future vlog if you liked it. Just going to go quickly here. Some of the Harry Potter merch there, guys. Couple sweaters. There is actually, I'm surprised because there's a lot of fall stuff out. And yes, in Florida it does cool off, guys, enough at nighttime especially. And I'm liking the long sleevers. Wizarding Dad there. So yes, a variety of merch, Roberta. I'm impressed with this small store. So this is a woman's shirt, a Jurassic Park. How much, Roberta, did you happen to see?
37.
37 before you're 70% off. Just to show you. I got excited because I saw the DeLorean. I'm like, it's a Back to the Future mug, but it's actually the great movie Escape. It's an escape room, which I'm not really interested in at all. But they do have some of their merch. The mugs, looks like they have a shot glass.
There's another one here. Look at the Bride of Frankenstein.
They got some mugs here.
And Dracula.
Another shot glass. And then we have actually gotten some of this coffee.
This one is decaf.
Oh, that's a decaf. No.
Yeah,
We don't do decaf here. Roberta, you want decaf?
No.
Oh, thank you. I need the energy. They even have some socks. Harry Potter socks. Couple things back there, guys. It's behind a register, so I'm not going to walk back there. I'm just going to kind of glance and show you. So you won't have to wait for another vlog for us to let you know if Jake wanted the shirt. We FaceTimed him, and he was like, oh, yeah, I'll take it.
Yeah.
I had a good feeling he would, Roberta.
Yeah.
So, guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Many, many more vlogs to come all around Central Florida. Cruising, food, pizza, especially.
Yeah.
And everything in between. Celebration Florida as well. And last but not least, see ya!